So the disciples were beaten and told, stop speaking about Jesus. So we're going to kill you if you continue. So they were afraid. And they went back to their place where they would gather. And this is from Acts 4 from verse 23. And being let go, they went to their own companions and reported all that the chief priest and elders said to them. That's the priest and the head elders told them, stop speaking about Jesus. So when they heard that, they raised their voice to God with one accord and said, Lord, listen to this prayer. Maybe this is a prayer you should adapt in your life.